In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a story collage on Telegram. This is a new feature and it's perfect for combining multiple photos or videos into one visually appealing story. First, open Telegram app and start creating your story. To create a story, click on camera icon here. Here, look for the collage icon or layout feature at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it and you'll see different layout options. There are many layouts you can choose from, such as ones for 3, 4, 5, or 6 photos or videos. Additionally, for the same number of images, you can select different positions where they will be displayed. Select the one that best fits your content. Choose the photos or videos you want to include in your collage. I will insert 3 photos from gallery. For last position on collage, I will take a photo. You can flip camera by tapping here. Drag, resize, and arrange your photos or videos within the layout to customize the collage. You can drag a tile to reorder. To make your story more engaging, you can add text, stickers, or even filters. These options are available on the editing toolbar. Share the story. And that's how you create a stunning story collage on Telegram. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.